I hope you all are fine. You are looking very happy today. Okay, welcome back to today's class. We are the class now. Which class? Class 1. And what is our subject? Yes, EBS. Okay. What we have discussed in the previous class? Do you remember? Em cheppunnam last class lo gurtunda? Yes, we have discussed about safety rules. Yes, safety rules only we have learned. Safety rules. Today we are going to start a new block, that is the block 11, living things and non-living things. What we are going to learn? Living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Do you have any idea about living things and non-living things? Okay, we will discuss now how the living things are divided. First of all, మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? Things. Things అంటే ఏంటో చెప్తాను. దాని తర్వాత లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ కి డివైడ్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? గ్యాడ్జెట్. yes sir. What is this? Anyone of you? ఎవరు చెప్తారు? ఇది ఏంటి? నీరజ్. ఏంటన్నా ఇది? chalk piece. What is this one? Book. Who am? Neenevaru? Who am? Teacher. Okay, very good. Okay. Next, I am going to show you one more also. What is this one?
Cup.
Cup. Okay, fine. Then what is this one?
Scale.
Okay, very good. Now Neeraj has told so many things. Avanni vastuvule kada. Scale oka vastuvu, next identity, chalk piece, next book. Ivanni chinna chinna things. Manam emantam vastuvulanu emantam things. What we call things. Now things are divided into two types. How many types we have divided? Two types. How many types we have divided? We have divided into two types. First one is living things. Living things. Second one, non-living things. Non-living things. Okay. Living things, non-living things ka divide chesaru. Gurtochinda ipudu meeku ardhamainda? I have shown you the things like pencil, paper, or cups, scale, book. Everything is called as a thing. Now we have divided the things into two categories. One is the first one, living thing. Second one is non-living thing. But living thing ka input non-living thing ka rasa. Can you tell me, chalk piece can do itself? Chalk piece dalam kada nadustunda?
No, teacher.
No. What I am doing? నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా?
Writing. Writing.
రైటింగ్ అని ఇప్పుడు రాయట్లే కదా, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా? వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్? ఈ దగ్గరికి వస్తున్నా నేను.
Walking.
వాకింగ్. yes, very good. I can walk. Chalk piece can walk?
No.
No. I was very hungry. I want to eat the chocolate. Chocolate నేను తింటా. Chalk piece తింటుందా chocolate?
No.
No. Okay. ఇంకేం చూస్తున్నా నేను ఇప్పుడు యు ఆర్ ఎ వెరీ స్మాల్ కిడ్. మీరు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఉంటున్నారు. వెన్ యు ఆర్ 6 months బేబీ ఇంకా చిన్నగా ఉన్నారు కదా. మరి మీ మమ్మీ ఎలా ఉంది? హైట్ అంట. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఓకే, we have seen different things. We can, I will write the first thing. Living things can grow. Can grow. మనం పెద్దగా అవ్వచ్చు. Can grow means when we are in the first class we will be small. When we are in the second, third, like that every class we will increase our height as well as we will increase our personality. Not only the plants, not only the humans. మనం ఏమంటాం? Humans అంటాం. So can grow. A living organism అయినా పెరుగుతుంది. Plants also will grow. What about the non-living things? చాక్ పీస్ ఎన్ని రోజులైనా ఇలానే ఉంటుంది కదా? Yes, chalk piece does not grow. Chalk piece grown. So non-living things does not grow. Does not grow, right? Next, ఇంకేం చెప్పొచ్చు? They can move. Now I walked na. నేను నడిచాను కదా ముందుకేనికి. మరి chalk piece నడుస్తుందా? సాయి లలిత chalk piece నడుస్తుందా? No. So here can move. What we have right? Living things name rayali can move. But non-living things name rayala na. Everyone answer cheptara? Non-living things. Neeraj. Cheppu. Unmute cheyi.
Teacher.
Non-living things will move or does not move.
Not move.
Not move. Okay, Sai Lalita, nu cheppu answer in the hand raise chesavu kada? Non-living things will move or not move? ఏమైందని? Why you are feeling? Already I have written the answer here. Can move I have written. దీనికి opposite గా రాయడమే. Pujita raise your hand. Yes, speak out Pujita.
Chair.
Chair.
Not move.
Not move is the right answer. Okay, we have tried. Cannot move. Cannot move. Okay. Now we have written can move, can grow. Small plants will grow to the bigger. You are very small. When you become the 10th class or next intermediate, at the time you will be big. How our parents? Our parents ela aitha unnaro manam ala peddaga avvadu. Okay. Next, it does not move. Chalk piece any days aina, any years aina chalk piece laane untundi. But suppose glass, if you keep the glass for many years, మీరు గ్లాస్ ని అలానే పెట్టారు ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ అయినా అది అలానే ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ సైజ్, అది ఇంక్రీజ్ కాదు. We can move, I can walk front and back, right? But చైర్ కానీ గ్లాసెస్ కానీ వాటికి అవి మూవ్ కావడం కుదరదు. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ will you guess? Everyone now breathe for me. Breathing తెలుసా అందరికి? Breathe. గాలి తీసుకుంటున్నారా? Are you taking air? Yes sir. Unmute చేయండి అందరు, వీడియోస్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి ఒకసారి బ్రీత్ తీసుకోండి అందరూ. నాకు కనిపించాలి క్లియర్ గా. Sai Lalita only doing. What about the Pujita?
Teacher.
Are you taking the breathing? Sriman, breathe తీసుకో. ఎస్ టీచర్ దాన్ని కరెక్టే. నాకు కనిపించాలి. You're not taking. Neeraj, breathe తీసుకో ఒకసారి గట్టిగా. I want to see the action. See how silent is doing, but remind no one is doing. Okay, fine. Next, Lakshmita, are you taking the breath? Lakshmita side. Okay. Yes, he is also showing me clearly. Right. Means what we can do? Can breathe. What we have right here? Living things will breathe. Okay. Chalk piece. Is the breath తీసుకుంటుందా? No. Very good. What about this glass?
No.
What about the book?
No.
No. Very good. Super. Yes. Cannot breathe. Cannot breathe. Okay. Next. What we can say? Have you seen the dogs? Small dogs, puppies.
What?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Have you seen the small cats, kittens?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cow babies. Cow ki chinna chinna babies unta vaatni calf antam. Chusara?
Yes.
Okay. So here the living things, animals are called as a living things. They are having small babies. Can give babies. Can give babies. Chinna babies. You can see the cat, rat, buffalo, any animal. Anniki chinna babies untai. Avuna? So can give babies. Living things can give babies. What about the non-living things? Chalk piece ilane undi. It will become two. Rendu chalk piece aitaya?
No.
మరి glasses rendu glasses aitha oka glass nunchi?
No.
No.
Oh, ma'am.
What about the scale?
No. No.
Yes. But what about the animals? Animals will give small babies for us. So living things will give babies and non-living things cannot give babies. Okay. Now you have understood 4 points we have written. Kada? Now who want to tell me the examples? Example ever chapter living things. Neeraj, living thing example chapter. Living thing. Neeraj, Lakshmi Desai. Chapter. Start, speak out. Innana? Vinpinchale నాకు. What he is doing? Voice clarity is not there. Once again, try it. How are you telling? Sai Anita? Tiger. Okay. Tiger. Very good. One more example. Neeraj has raised his hand. Chapnara.
Lion.
Okay, Sai Anita, lion. Okay, fine. Neeraj, chapnara. Which is the living thing? Living thing ante enti? నేను already చెప్పా. Breathe చేసే. Are you breathing or not? Breathe చేస్తున్నావు. You are a girl or boy? Boy. So example you can say boy. Boy చెప్పొచ్చు కదా example? Yes, very good. Fine. Next, anyone of you tell me the examples of non-living things? Non-living thing example. Pujita? Non-living thing ఒక example చెప్పు. అది ఎక్కడికి కదలదు. ఇదేంటిది?
Tropics.
అట్లా ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పు.
Scale.
Scale.
Cup.
ఏంటంటే మేడం?
Cup.
Okay, fine. Sriman, what you are doing? Tell me one example of non-living thing. Chair. Yes, Neeraj has told correct answer. Chair. Inga.
Table.
Very good. Wait, Neeraj. Sriman.
Yes, ma'am.
ఏమో చెప్పండి మేడం. నాన్న నీ వాయిస్ నాకైతే కొంచెం కూడా వినిపించలేదు. చెప్పమ్మా శ్రీమాన్.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-living thing example. Cup. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Sriman example. What is this, Sriman? Glass. That is the example of non-living thing. Okay, fine. Now I am going to show you some of the pictures. Then you will get the clarity. ఈ రోజు మనం ఇంతసేపు డిస్కస్ చేసిన ఒకసారి పిక్చర్స్ లో చూద్దాం. అప్పుడు మీకు క్లియర్ గా అర్థమవుతుంది. రైట్. Okay, fine. మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ పిక్చర్ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం మనం. Clear. Living and non-living things. All things are living or non-living. అన్ని థింగ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? వస్తువుల్ని లివింగ్ చేసామా నాన్ లివింగ్ అని చెప్పమంటున్నాం. రైట్? ఓకే. We see a lot of things around us. We see lot of things around us. మన చుట్టూ మనం చాలా చాలా వస్తువుల్ని చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. They can be grouped as living things and non-living things. కొన్నిటిని లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ గా, కొన్నిటిని నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేశాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏంటా? ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దాం. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్, హ్యూమన్స్, యానిమల్స్ అండ్ ప్లాంట్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు మనకి? హ్యూమన్స్. హ్యూమన్స్ అంటే ఎవరు? మనుషుల్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? హ్యూమన్స్. Like boy, girl, mummy, daddy, or you can say aunt, sister, brother. Everyone is called as a human. Animals. You can take all animals like domestic animals, wild animals, water animals, any animal like lion, tiger, next goat, dog, buffalo. You can write any animal. Next plants. All types of plants. Rose plant, neem, next banyan. You can write any type of plant name also. Next, non-living things. Book, water, pencil. Yes. Man chana non-living things choose. Okay. Now you can observe the picture here. Living things lemon kanipistunnayi meeku first picture lo. Yes. Now I am going to ask you the questions. Gallery pictures. Okay. First living దాంట్లో కనిపించే ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ ఏంటన్నా? Who want to tell the answer? Yeah. What is the first picture? Living picture లో మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ ఏంటి? లివింగ్. చెప్పమ్మా సాయిగా. What is the first picture?
Fish.
Fish. Yeah, yes. Yes, very good. Fish. Second picture ఏంటి? Crocodile. Third picture? Neeraj is raising hand. Neeraj, చెప్పమ్మా. What we call the third picture? Crab. Fourth one? Eagle. Fifth one? Monkey. Pujita, unmute. Sixth picture ఏంటన్నా? Pujita, unmute. ఆడుతున్నావేంటి ఫోన్ తో? అన్మ్యూట్ చేయమంటే.
Yes, ma'am.
చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. What is the sixth picture? Text book లో ఉన్న sixth picture?
Duck.
Next one?
Ant.
Next one?
Flower.
Next one?
Snake.
Next, okay. Lakshmi Dasai, non-living things చెప్పు నువ్వు. Fast. What is the first picture? తొందరగా టైం అయిపోతుందా? దీంట్లో నుంచి ఒక్కటన్నా చెప్పుకొని నీకేది వస్తే అది. What happened, ma? What you are speaking, I can't understand. Whether you are speaking or not, also I don't know.
Bottle. Bag.
Okay. Shoe. Okay, very good. Fine. Now we have discussed about all the living and non-living things. Now we have seen the content picture also. Right? Now we are going to write about worksheet. Time is getting over. So we are going to write the worksheet. Close it. Yes, children, now we are going to write the worksheet. I am going to share you. Look after it and tell me the answers. Yes. First one, complete the table. Is it living? Living thing or non-living thing? Complete the table. First one, they have given the thing. Does it need food? Does it grow? Is it living or non-living? We have to write the three words. Fine. First box, already they have given bus. Bus does not need food. So no. Does not grow. No. And it is a non-living. Next picture onwards we should write. Next one is the fish. Fish need food. So we have to write the answer. Yes. Does it grow? Yes. Yes. Next one, living thing. Living. Yes. Living thing. Next we are going to see the cup. Cup does not need any food. So no. What is the answer? No. Cup does not grow. So it is a non-living thing. No. We have to write no. And the last one, non-living. Non-living thing. Non-living thing. Andane mute cheyandi. Voice vinistunna. Who is talking there? I told you to look after the worksheet. Who is that? Everyone was muted. Okay, fine. Next point, we are going to look after the fourth one, tree. Tree needs food. Yes. What is the answer? Yes. And next it grows. Small plant to the big plant. So yes is the answer. Next, it is a living thing. It is a living thing. Circle the living thing. Circle the living thing. Why do you think this is living? Agar living thing ento dan circle cheyamani chepparu. First one gate, second one what we call box, and third one is the snail. Snail is a living thing. Snail is a living thing. So we should circle it. Next, we should write the one point. It moves. Sorry, it needs food, and it grows and grows and it grows. Okay, fine. That's it. 2 points we have written. It needs food as well as it grows. Yes. Now we have completed our worksheet also. Worksheet అర్థమైంది కదా? Yes. I hope everyone has written it. Okay. ఇప్పుడు questions. Pujita. Pujita. Yes.
చేసుకున్నాను మ్యామ్.
చేస్తున్నావా? ఓకే. తర్వాత రాదు. ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ బోర్డు మీద ఉన్న పాయింట్స్ చదువు. What is this one? Can you see the board? కనిపిస్తుందా?
Living.
Living. What is this one?
Living room.
Living room కాదు, మనకి living room ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ చాప్టర్ లో వచ్చింది. Living things.
Living things.
Yes, living things. What is this one?
Can. Grow.
Grow. Grow, what we call?
Grow. Can. MOVE. మ్యామ్ మీరు స్టక్ అయిపోయారు మ్యామ్.